Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find add preferences on your account on Messenger, on account center, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and here as you see you will find personal details, click on it. Now here as you see you will find it, you'll find add preferences, and here you can manage it as you want. And that's it, that's how to find add preferences on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.